Hey, so if the Google anti-gravity page is not working properly, yeah, like it won't load, glitches, or just shows a normal page, that's pretty common. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. First, make sure you're using the correct anti-gravity version. It doesn't work directly on the normal Google homepage. You need the version created by Mr. Doob or a working mirror site. So search it properly and open the correct link. Now, sometimes you need to click I'm feeling lucky instead of pressing enter. Yeah, that's what triggers the effect on certain versions. If the page is not working or showing errors, your browser might have JavaScript disabled. And yeah, this trick depends on it. So go into Settings, find Site Settings or Privacy, and make sure JavaScript is turned on. Another common issue, browser extensions, ad blockers, or script blockers can break the anti-gravity effect. Try turning them off temporarily, then reload the page. If it still doesn't work, yeah, switch browsers. Some browsers don't fully support the animation. For best results, try Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. And finally, clear your cache and cookies. Old stored data can stop the page from loading correctly. After clearing it, reload the page and try again. So yeah, that's how you fix Google anti-gravity page issues. Most of the time, it's just a browser setting or loading problem. Try these steps and it should work again. Hey,